Hello friends, welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to explain you how you can create 100 folders inside your computer using C programs. So this is actually a Windows C program, and whenever you will write a Windows C program, these are the lines you always have to write. You always have to include windows.h header files, and then you have to create a main function, that is window main function, and by default it has 4 arguments. We are not going to discuss about these 4 arguments, so you can write them as it is. And I also provided you this basic structure in my description section. You can copy this basic structure from it. Okay, so let's start writing the program. First of all, we need a character array. I'm going to write a character array name folder path. This character array will hold the location where we will create 100 folders, and the location is in D drive inside C example directory. Okay, let's initialize another character array, that is folder name. This is the size of this array, 20. Okay, this character array will hold the name of folder. For now, folder name will start from these character folder underscore. All right. Okay, now I'm going to declare a character pointer, and I'm going to point this pointer to the address of the first character of this folder name array. That's how I'm going to point it. Alright, now let's write a for loop, because we need to create 100 folders, so we need a loop that will repeat 100 times. Okay, so we need this loop that will going to repeat 100 times. Okay, inside this loop I'm going to write this line. Because you know what this line will do, it will create each 100 folder with different name, because we have defined the name folder underscore, and at the last location we will insert a new character. Each time this loop iterate, we will insert a new character in this array. Okay, so let's call a function that is change directory, chdir, and I'm going to pass a pointer of folder path, and I'm going to call another, that is important function, which will create a folder. Make directory, I'm going to pass inside it, I'm going to pass a pointer of folder name array. So that's how it will, these line will execute 100 times, and we have already mentioned the location of our folder, and this program will create 100 folders when it will execute. Okay, so before this program is completed, before executing, I want to show you this location, D drives, c_example, and you can see there is one folder here. I'm going to delete it. So now this folder at this location, this folder is empty. So now let's execute our program. Okay, we need one more thing. We need to add 2 more header files, that is include stdio.h, standard input output header files, and include direct.h header file. Okay, now I think there is nothing is left, everything is completed, and we can execute this program. Alright, okay, so you can see here now 100 folders are created. So we have created the 100 folders, and you can see this new characters we have inserted for each iteration. These are the new characters. So I hope that you understand this program, how it's work, how we've created 100 folders using C program. But still you have any doubt, you can ask me anything about this program by in comment. And if you like this video, you can click on like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.